So you've been meaning to start your cryptocurrency trading, and one of the challenges you have is losing your funds to the market because you don't have the knowledge yet, or you actually have the knowledge but not yet perfect. Well, this video is for you, so please do like, subscribe, and share this video. And let's get started. So first things first, I'll be explaining what this demo is. Basically, the demo accounts provided by Bybit will give you free virtual money. I mean, this money is not real, so it's prop money. This money is used for the trial phase. So if you are a newbie, this is the best way to go. If you're an OG and you have been hitting the block recently, your trades have been failing, you are not consistent with any particular strategy, or you have a new strategy and you want to test it out on the market, well, this is the perfect way to do it. So I'll be showing you a breakdown on how to get started with the demo accounts, best strategies to use, how to trade both spots, futures, margin, and whatever type of trade you're into in forex in the crypto market. So let's get started. Yeah. So first things first, click on this option here. Click on this more option. Then the menu with other options will come up. Now you can slide down on this trade, or you can easily select it or search for it. Then you click on demo trading. So demo trading now will take you over to the demo side. You can see demo trading, start trading live. So these two options on the top right, you can select, click anyone, it will take you back to the start trading live or the demo account. Now once you open the demo account, they are usually, if you don't have any balance in your demo accounts, they will offer to give you 100,000 demo assets. So you can select that, but we'll remove it. This will start afresh and see how we can do it manually. So this is how the interface looks. You have the spot, you have the derivatives. So the spots, the same thing with the other markets, basically the same price. Every market there is the same market here, the same coins there are the same ones here. So this right here is where you test your new strategy, how you test your abilities, how you get prepared for the financial markets, how to dive into the markets, how you won't lose your funds with basic mistakes that could be avoided. So first things first, look at this down area here. You can see home, trade, and assets. So now we want to add funds to this our wallet. We won't be using $200,000. I mean, bro, we are beginners, so we'll be using a realistic amount to test our ability. So I will put in like $10 so we can use it to test our ability in this particular video. So we'll be trading with a realistic amount. I mean, we are trying to build up our accounts, you understand, and how to test our knowledge best is with a small amount. So to adjust this, you have to click on these two options. There are two options here, either adjust or borrow. Adjust or borrow. So we'll be using the adjust because we are already funded. So once you enter here, they will automatically give you the bonus of $200,000. That's basically what they will give you. So you can see they gave me 50,000 USDT, 50,000 USDC, 1 BTC, 1 ETH. Bro, I wish it was real. So just type on 50,000, then type on 50,000 USDC, then add the 1 BTC and 1 Ethereum. Remember, we are on the reduced area that's reduced. So if you click confirm, all this money will be gone. Now we can go back there and add funds. So we can either add from $10 to $100, $1,000. That is more realistic and that can test our knowledge. You understand, that we can test our abilities with. So I'll be putting $10 because this will help you know how to flip accounts, how to manage small accounts. With smaller accounts you can manage bigger account, and that's basically how it goes. So go ahead and click confirm, and that's that. So the $10 will be added to your account. I added $10. I don't know why it's 20. So let me just reduce by 10 and confirm. So now we have $10 in our balance. So to trade, you go to this area here on the down part as well. Now we have our money. Just click on trade. Now right here, you can either decide to choose sports trade if you prefer this trading sports. You can choose futures trade. You can choose options trade. then you can choose margins trade. So we'll be trading futures. Now it's just like the other live trade part. You basically just go here and select the coin you want to trade. If you want to trade any coin of your choice, you can just select anyone here. Every coin available in the normal type of trade is available here. So you can basically search for any pair you want and you trade it. So let's just select one and trade. So this one that is 6% minus 6% storage. Let's trade storage USDT. So if I was trying to do my analysis, I won't do it here, but I can't go out here. Just let me just do this here. So let's open the chart. Now you can see the background is the road demo trading. So if you want to analyze this in a bigger screen, just click on this option here. It will zoom it in. And you can see you can analyze this in a bigger space. So if you are trying to check whether we are shorting or buying, you can just use this and find out the support and resistance area. So we are on a 1 hour time frame. So let me just put it on a 1 day time frame. Then we can use the higher time frame to analyze, then go down to the smaller time frame. That's basically how trading works. So if you're new to that, I'll make a separate video on how to do analysis for futures and how to do analysis for sports. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, share, and yeah, let's go. So you select the peso stuff and find out the uh, places with interest. You can see here it was at the support area, then it bounced back. Without seeing the clearer view, we won't know what we're dealing with. That's why we change this to a higher and lower time frame to enable us know the bigger picture. So once you are here, you can easily know that this coin is currently at an uptrend because it has dropped and retraced. So we'll be looking to buy. Now you can go here if you want to buy. You can set our leverage to either isolated or cross. So I'll put it at isolated. Then select our leverage at, you can put it at 10%, 20%. I think 25% is the max. Yeah, 25%. So it's at 10%. So that means 10 times 10. That's basically what it means. 10 times 10. So if you're looking to buy, we won't be looking to set a limit stop. We'll be buying at the current market price because it's already going up. So we want to enter the trade instantly. Now we can use all our assets. That's the whole money we have to buy this, and that equals to 391 storage. So now we can click on long. If you click on long here, your trade will execute at market price. Remember, we didn't use limit order, so we are currently entering the market immediately. So we entered at 2524. That's the current market price. You can see here at current market price. Now we'll be looking to either make profits or know the next step. So you should also know that this is basically exactly almost the same thing with the normal one. So you click on this spot here, unrealized PNL. You can see your history, you can share this, but I think they will write demo trading for it, so you can't lie to people that you made money when you didn't make money. So ROI 0.78%, and you see the referral code, join and claim over 5,000 in bonuses. So it's just basically like the same thing with the other one. So when you're in profit, you will see profits. When you're in loss, you see it here. As simple as that. Now you can either set your TP if you want, or you can just leave it and be monitoring it anytime you like it. You can close it. So you can just simply set your TP here. but we won't be setting it. We'll be closing this ASAP because this is for practical purposes. So basically, we have earned 0.07 cents so far. I think we're in 50 cents now. So we are currently in profit. This is basically how you do your analysis sometimes. This is a rough way to do analysis, bro. You can't jump into the market like this always and make profit. So currently $1 profit. We have 10% of our capital, and we can close this trade. So if you make 10% profit on a daily basis, I think that's fair enough for me. So you can just simply click on this and close your trade. So you can just click either select this area here, close by. So you can either close at 50%, so you leave some to run because I'm profits 75%, or the whole 100%. You can close at the market price right now or the limit price. You can set the price you want it to close. That's basically like setting your TP as well. So we're closing at market price, and this is basically the end of our tutorial. So let's see how much we made from this video. So if you had a capital of $100, you just made $10. If you had a capital of $1,000, you just made $100. That's basically how it works. So the market is a bit sluggish. That's why it fell to close. So let me retry again. So we have closed our position right now. Now we can go back here to the asset area and check how much you made. You made 10.81 cents. That's basically 10% or 8% of your capital. So remember, if you had $100, you made like $8. If you had $1,000, you have made like $80. That's basically how the percentage works. The higher the capital, the lesser the money you make. Now, this is why I use the $10 because it will help you stay grounded and know that each 5 naira, each 5 cents, any amount counts in crypto. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for posts like this because we'll be doing a trend with this video. So this is just the part one. Part two, part three, and part four will be coming through on various strategies to use to trade to make money from both the demo and the live accounts. So yeah, subscribe and share, and let's go.